Hello, welcome back and lovely to see you again. Today I will be showing you how to make a Malaysian authentic pancake called Apam Balik, a comforting and yummy popular street food, either eaten for breakfast or as a snack. I tweaked this pancake recipe into a vegan version. This healthy vegan pancake is filled with crushed peanuts, banana and strawberry, then served folded in half like the street vendor style. It is remarkably delicious and crispy if eaten hot or straight out from the pan. Let's get started with step number 1. In step 1, roasting and crushing the peanuts. To roast the peanuts, heat a frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. When the pan is hot, add about 250 grams or 1.5 cups of peanuts into the pan. Stir the peanuts with a spatula regularly or use a tossing technique to toast the peanuts. Roast the peanuts for approximately 15 to 20 minutes until they turn golden brown. Place the roasted peanuts on another tray and let cool. Once the peanuts are cooled, remove their skin by rubbing them between your hands. To easily and quickly separate the skin debris of the peanuts, place the peanuts in a medium-sized jar. Cover the jar with a cling film or plastic. Cut a hole that is big enough for your vacuum nozzle to get in. Then insert the vacuum nozzle into the jar to suck up the skin of the peanuts. Repeat the same process with the rest of the peanuts, then proceed to crush them using a blender. Place the skinless peanuts in a blender, then pause a few times to crush them into small sizes. Note, your blender will not crush the peanuts into even sizes. You may crush the peanuts into any size you prefer. I like them tiny. Now over to step number 2, mixing the batter. In a large bowl, shift in the self-raising flour. Add wholemeal flour, coconut sugar, baking soda, and salt. Then mix all the dry ingredients evenly. In another bowl, whisk together almond milk and pure vanilla extract, making sure the liquid is completely mixed. Mix the batter, pour the milk mixture into the mixed dry ingredients in a big bowl. Then slowly whisk to incorporate the milk mixture into the dry ingredients. As soon as the batter is fully combined without any lump, stop mixing. Let the batter sit for about 10 minutes. The batter will thicken slightly as it sits. Do not remix once the baking soda has started to react. Now, final stage, step 3, cooking the pancakes. To start, preheat a non-stick pan to medium or medium-high heat. Note, for this pancake, it is best to use a non-stick pan. I'm using a 23 cm 9 inches IKEA non-stick pan. If using other pans, make sure the pan is nicely greased with oil or vegan butter to help with the frying. Once the pan is hot, ladle about 125 ml of butter onto the pan, either using the back of the ladle, swirl and spread the butter, or move the pan to spread the butter to cover the pan. Let the pancake cook. As soon as you start to see bubbles break the surface, sprinkle some coconut sugar onto the pancake, followed by placing banana slices and strawberry slices to cover half of the pancake. Finally, sprinkle crushed peanuts to cover the other half of the pancake. Note, the amount of filling is depending on your preference. Personally, I like to put a lot of crushed peanuts and fruits for the texture. Both the fruits and peanuts are good source of minerals and vitamins. Continue to cook the pancake for about 2 to 3 minutes until you can see brown edges form around the pancake. Run a spatula all around the edges to release it from the pan. Fold the pancake into half, then dish it out to a plate. It should come out easily. The pancake is delicious when eaten with maple syrup. Serve this thin pancake straight out from the pan while it is still hot and crispy. You can start your day with this pancake for breakfast or eat it as an afternoon snack with a cup of tea or coffee. I hope you truly enjoy eating this pancake. Please share this video, subscribe, and let me know how you get on with this recipe in the comment below. See you soon.